Has started?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I was telling about the singular and the plural, okay? So mind it, whenever you say only one child, then you are going to use only child, the word child. But when you have more than one child, then you will be using the word children, right? And when you give a presentation, then remember, try to wish the people in front of you. Like you will be saying, hello, good evening, right? Hello, good evening. Now you are going to say, my name is, what is your name? What is your name? David Kashyap. So you will be writing like that, David Kashyap. Kashyap Burman, am I right?
Yes.
Then you are going to say what you are going to do now. Since you are going to give a presentation, right? So you will be saying that now I am going to, or maybe you can write it in your notebook. Now I am going to, now I am going to give a presentation. To give a presentation. On, so there will be a topic, okay, on football game. So it will be proper topic. So David, I have written like that. Hello, good evening. My name is David Kashyap Burman. Now I am going to give a presentation on football game. Okay. Now we can start saying whatever is going on in the drawing. Okay. So you'll be saying that this is my drawing. So you have drawn something. So you'll be saying this is my drawing. Now you are going to say about what you have drawn. So my drawing, you will be saying my drawing. David, have you done this too?
Yes.
Okay, I can now remove it. Okay. My drawing is about children playing in a playground. Okay, so now you are going to say some children are, you can say some village children are playing football game in the field. Okay, very good. Some village children are playing football in the field. Okay, but there is a child who is sitting. There is a child who is sitting. Where is the child sitting? Under a
tree.
Yeah, sitting under a tree. Okay, I think that you have finished. So there is a child who is sitting under a tree. That means that child is not playing the football game, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Those children who are playing send two children to ask the child to come and play the football. Okay, like that. Look, here I have used children here, and there is a child. Why? Because there is only one child who was not playing, and that child is sitting under the tree, and those children who are playing, I mean many children are playing in the playground. So what are they going to do? They are going to send two children to ask the child. Child means that child who is sitting under the tree, to come and play the football, right? Okay. Now what will happen, you know? The child agrees. Agree means has consented, right? Has consented. The child agrees to play. Now they are happy, right?
Yeah.
Now they are happy. So this is the presentations about the football game, right? And the football game is being played by the village children. So this is all about your presentation, and after the presentation you will be saying, with that I come to the end of my presentation. Thank you, have a nice day. So have you finished
No.
till this line?
No, third line.
Okay, third line. Okay, finish it first, and after that I am going to say what you have to write. Okay, please do it quickly. We are running out of the time, because you know by the 6 o'clock we usually dismiss our class. I mean it is almost 6 o'clock, I think.
6:11.
6:11. And I think that your father has arrived, I think. Okay, anyway, so very good. I think that you have finished. I can remove it. Okay. Done.
Last line.
Last line. Okay, after finishing this last line, you're going to write the last sentence that you are going to say. Now you are going to say, with that, please write that. With that I conclude my presentation. Since you don't have anything to say, therefore you're going to conclude your presentation. With that I conclude my presentation. Then the last statement, the last sentence will be, thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. Have a nice day. So with that I come to the end of this class, and next time we will meet together, right?
Yes.
Next Saturday I think that you will be coming and taking the class, right? And today is the last day of our spoken English course. So I thank David for coming here and taking this spoken class. Thank you. Have a nice day.